my name is Lee. Today we have the Precisionmaxx helmet. This has been designed for the Micro Arc Welder, but not the PUK. This is a Bluetooth device, and this gives us better flexibility to weld in difficult situations where sometimes the microscope is not the best solution. The helmet comes with a Bluetooth device. This plugs in at the rear of the machine to the USB. Let's go ahead and connect the helmet. This is done by turning the delay switch all the way down to tack position and power on the helmet on the left hand side by pressing the power button. This is indicated by the blue flashing light. We now go into the settings and we select this. The helmet is now a new icon. We select that. We click the search. The helmet is detected. We select this. We now have a connection, and this is indicated by a solid blue light. It's no longer flashing. We can now exit this menu and go back to the home screen. And now our helmet is connected, and this is displayed by a new icon. And now we put the helmet on, and we're ready for welding. Disconnecting the helmet is done by pressing the power button, and the icon is now disappeared off our home screen. A few things I'd like to mention. This has been developed with Optrail, so all the Optrail accessories are compatible. For example, the magnifying lenses and the fresh air support. Secondly, you can also use this helmet for more traditional welding without Bluetooth in sensor mode also. For more information about Lampert Precision Welding, please visit our channel.